Hi everyone! Thank you for watching today. Today I'm going to share an Ikebana arrangement with Pincushion Flowers. Today's materials are Spirea, which has been dyed red to look like autumn leaves. Ominaeshi, Patrinia, one of the 7 flowers of autumn. Balloon plant, also called Gomphocarpus. Pincushion flowers and grove amaranth dyed blue. First, I trimmed a Spirea. This Spirea has been dyed red to look like autumn leaves. In Japan, you can often find it at flower shops in early autumn. I've shortened this part for the edit, but in later time, I take my time with the pruning. Spirea has lots of fine branches, so look closely and decide which ones to cut and which ones to keep. Let's get started. Today I'll be using 2 Kenzan. I'll place the Kenzan on the right side from your view. Next is the pincushion flower. Do you know why it's called a pincushion? It's named that way because the shape of the flower looks like a pincushion with lots of pins stuck in it. I think it looks like fireworks though. Pincushion flowers last a long time, so they are really nice material to use. I'll place the first pincushion flower into the Kenzan. Since the pincushion has a big head, make sure to push it firmly into the Kenzan so it stays in place. If the stem is stiff, cut it at the slant. This makes it easier to insert into the Kenzan. Next, I'll add Ominaeshi. Can anyone tell me what the 7 flowers of autumn are? Oh no! The Ominaeshi stem are too thin to stick into the Kenzan. But if you've been watching this channel for a while, you probably already know what's coming, right? It's time for the famous bamboo skewer trick. And if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out my video. I've added the link in the description below. This little trick makes it much easier to insert, so be sure to give it a try. Next, I'll add the grove amaranth. This grove amaranth has been dyed blue. It also lasts a long time, so it's a very handy flower to use. This year in Japan has been really hot, and flowers don't last well in such heat. So flowers that are heat resistant and long lasting are really valuable. After adding a few Spirea stems, one arrangement is complete. Alright, let's start the second arrangement. We'll begin after adding the balloon plant. For the balloon plant, carefully choose one stem and spread it to use it different parts of the arrangement. The balloon plant stems are stiff too, so make sure to push them firmly into the Kenzan. To create contrast between the left and right, I'll add green Spirea on this side. Take your time, there's no need to rush. As you remove the leaves, think about which ones to trim so that the entire branch looks more balanced and beautiful. As you continue, you might notice how deeply focused you become. We are often thinking about for many things or having constant chatter in our minds, aren't we? But when practicing Ikebana, you may find yourself completely absorbed in the moment. Having time where you're not thinking about anything else can feel almost like a form of meditation. By the way, do you remember I mentioned at the beginning about Ominaeshi? Ominaeshi, also called Patrinia, is one of the 7 flowers of autumn in Japan. The 7 flowers are not for eating, but for enjoying their beauty and seasonal feeling. In Ikebana, choosing what to cut and what to keep can sometimes feel challenging, but once the piece is complete, just looking at the beginning so much joy and peace. 生け花では何を切って何を残すかを選択することが時に難しく感じられることがあると思います。でも時間をとってゆっくりお花と向き合ったら絶対に素敵な作品になるので、皆さん一緒に学んでいきましょう。今日使用した黄色いお花オミナエシは秋の七草の一つですが、皆さん秋の七草全部言えますか？ All done! How does it look? I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. もっとお花に癒されたいなと思ったら、ぜひ私の電子書籍をご覧ください。日本語版と英語版をご用意しております。概要欄にリンクを貼っておりますので、ぜひご覧ください。That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching till the end. それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。最後まで見ていただきありがとうございました。See you next time. Bye!